Welcome to Accurate Trader's complete transparency demonstration. The front-end folder handles all user interfaces and interactive charts, and the back-end folder houses our Flask API server that processes all the trading data transparently. Here in my Downloads folder, you can see the Midpoint 2 strategy file exported directly from TradeStation. Let me open this so you can see exactly what we're working with. This is real trading data from our Midpoint 2 strategy. You can see dates, symbols, trade types, and most importantly, the profit and loss column showing the actual results from each trade. These are the exact dollar amounts that will feed into our performance calculations. Every single trade result is here, the wins, the losses, everything. Complete transparency. This raw data combined with our open architecture ensures that every calculation you'll see in our performance charts comes directly from verified trading results. Let me show you how we transform this data into the interactive charts you see on our platform. Now I need to convert this Excel file to CSV format for our backend system. I'm using Google Drive for this. I'll click New to start the upload. Selecting File Upload to choose our TradeStation export. Here in Downloads, I'll select the midpoint2.xls file we just examined. The upload starts immediately. Sometimes there is a slight delay like the one we're experiencing now. Okay, here it is. Now I'll open it in Google Sheets for conversion. You can see it's the same information. Nothing has changed, just the platform. Google Sheets opens automatically with our data. To convert to CSV, I'll use the Download option and select comma-separated values CSV format. Download finished. Let me close Sheets and switch to our admin interface. This is the command and control center for Accurate Trader. Now I'll open the Downloads folder to verify our converted file. Here's our new CSV file. Notice the column headings: date, symbol, trade type, profit loss. Everything is exactly the same as the Excel version. Same data, just in a format our backend can process efficiently. Now let's upload this to our system using the proper admin interface. This is a two-step process. First, select the strategy from the drop-down menu. Next, click Browse to choose our converted CSV file. I'll select Midpoint 2 from the Performance dropdown. The Midpoint 2 strategy is the only strategy listed in the drop-down menu that is 100% proprietary. And development of its core features took more time than any of the other strategies on the list combined. Uploading now? Perfect. Upload successful. Now let's see the real-time data transfer. Watch how our backend processes this. On the left, you can see our admin interface, and on the right, our backend terminal is ready to immediately process the uploaded file as soon as I hit the upload button on the left side of the screen. Look at that. You can see the system detecting the new file, reading the CSV data, and calculating the cumulative performance starting from our $10,000 baseline. The data showing on the right side in the terminal represents the raw data which will be used to generate the performance chart. Now, let me click on the Performance dropdown to view the chart that was just generated. And here's the result. Our interactive performance chart appears. Notice how the terminal reacts again. It's serving the processed data to create this chart. You can see the API calls happening in real time. These logs show exactly what's happening. No black boxes, no hidden processes. Every calculation, every data point is completely transparent and traceable. This is the level of transparency that sets Accurate Trader apart. You can see every step of the data processing pipeline. Now for the final step, here's our main performance page. There are two ways to access the performance chart. Either click on the Performance dropdown to select Midpoint 2, or select the Performance chart link in the strategy box. And here's the result: a professional, dark-themed performance chart built from the exact same data we just processed. First, let me show you the time range control. You can zoom into specific time periods for detailed analysis. Users can focus on any date range they want. Now let me demonstrate the hover functionality. As I move my mouse across the chart, you can see detailed tooltips showing the exact portfolio value, profit and loss, and percentage gains. Every data point represents a real trade from our midpoint 2 strategy, and all interactions are smooth and responsive. This is the complete journey from raw TradeStation data through transparent processing to this professional interactive visualization. So there you have it, the complete transparency demonstration. From our organized project structure through authentic data processing to professional chart visualization. Thanks for watching.